Renae's red snappers are new and improved in their packaging and design. We made them a little bit shorter so that they're easier to store, use, and ship. We have included enough pieces for a 10-foot frame, a 12-foot frame, or a 14-foot frame. But if your customer needs something different, then they can be cut down to fit whatever they need, or they can just use the portions that they need. Now inside, take off the cover, you'll find rods and clamps just as before, but you'll notice they're a little bit shorter than they used to be. Each package of red snappers will have a topper, and here it lists the parts that are included inside. It also has an instruction sheet with a link to a video so they can watch red snappers being used to load a machine. One of the changes we've made to the rods is we have included a dowel that is easy to slip in between the two rods so that they can be extended and you can put them inside the leader. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to load. The rod is already in the casing in the leader, and I've marked my center point on my quilt backing. Now I just flip it up over the bar, match up the center with the center on my canvas leader, and use a little clamp that's included in the set to clamp on the fabric. Then I'll do the same on the sides. And if this was a large quilt, I might want to add a few more, and those are included in the set as well. Once I have them clamped on with the little ones, I'll use the larger ones, longer ones, as my permanent folding, and the 2-inch clamps will come off when I get to them. So this will pop off, and I'll reuse it when I do the other side of the quilt, and I'll keep going to attach the clamp. It's important that this whole clamp be pushed down, even if there's no fabric under it, and then you're finished.